Hi miracles, I'm here at the mall, so go shopping with me just for random things. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and remember there's a miracle in everything. Yeah, I hope y'all are having a miraculous day. I'm a little embarrassed to kind of say, well, I'm not embarrassed, I'm just shy to say the real reason I'm here. Wait, is this the exit? I'm scared. Oh my gosh. I can't go to the other stores from here. That's annoying. Let me see. That's stupid because I would have to go to like a whole nother side. What the heck is going on? I'm about to start running through the store. I'm locked. I'm trapped in here. No. It's kind of late though. So the mall is probably closing soon. That's why that door is blocked off. Well, the store that I was coming for actually closed at 7, but this store closed at mall. Closed at 9. I don't know if I need anything from here, really. I saw some cute, like, bags, but the main store that I was coming for is closed, so it's kind of a waste of time, but yeah, so I don't know how to make bags yet. Actually, I have an idea, and I can put my mind to any freaking thing. So with that being said, I kind of have an idea of making purses, but I don't make my purses yet, okay? So I'm just making the basic, like, clothing items until I get into the next step. So I usually buy my bags and purses, but I was gonna get one from out of there, but it just turned me off how my store was closed. So let's go find, let's see, I'm gonna search on Google another similar store. All right, y'all, I found a similar store, but I'm hungry, so let's stop and get food first. I want to get something like completely different from what I always get. That would probably be like a burrito, a salad, or not the nachos. And I'm thinking a burrito since I'm driving. I could be fat and drive. Can I just have a burrito, please? Can't really see. Yeah, can I have a burrito? Burrito. Can I have brown rice and black beans? The Barrera. I usually get steak, so that's kind of different. And then I'm gonna get queso. Can I have a spicy queso? What's the difference with the corn? Oh. Has a low taste, this doesn't. Oh, can I have the regular salsa and pico? Extra guac. The green salsa. Sour cream and cotija cheese. And a little cilantro. Yeah, this is different from what I usually order, so let's try it. I just saw a video where it was like taking all the napkins. I'm like, take some silverware too for their car, just to have that extra. I'm like, yeah, you know the vibes. This fork, a knife, and a spoon, just because. Who knows? The next restaurant I go to, they might not give me any in my bag, you know? It might be those surprise restaurants. And then I'm just like, oh my God, I don't have nothing to eat my smoothie with. I don't have nothing to eat my salad with while I'm on the road. Oh yeah, I remember I have extra silverware. And that's how that works. So let's bite into this burrito with my fat ass as I'm peeling off. I don't have any phone holder, but hold on. Alright, let's bite into this, and then I got directions for that other store, so we gonna put on music and listen to the GPS. It's fat. Oh my gosh. Let's take a bite. I didn't even chew that. What the fuck? But yeah, this is different because I never get brisket. I think that's new anyways. But and I never get corn. I should have got a side of sour cream. Alright, y'all. I found another store that has everything that I need and that you need. It's a nice store called, what is it called? I'll look it up when I leave here. But yeah, look at all the varieties. Like, dang. This is why we don't care about men. Or relationships at that. Excuse me. I'm adding to my collection, so. This is like the regular one, but I think I want the one with the tongue. It's waterproof. Like it is like changeable cups. Sure.
Receipts in the bag.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Yep, have a good night. I need some more lingerie, so. That's on the list next. Oh, this place is called Shockwave, and they have like smoke stuff. Like, I think they have pipes. I actually need a pipe. Should I go back in there? No, because there's swishers at the crib. Yo, I've been waiting for a new toy so bad. What if I use it on my way home? I can't. There's a freaking pigeon in the street. But you better get out of here before you get hit. There's also a pizza place right next door. Lisa's Pizzeria? I wonder if they have drinks.